Why more bits? You might have heard about 16-bit computers, 32-bit computers, 64-bit computers, etc. So why do we need more bits in the computer systems? So the bits refer to memory word length, that is total number of bits per memory word of a computer. Word length of a small computer is 8, 16, 32 bits, whereas that of large computer is 64 bits or more. So for a small computer the word length is less, that is 8, 16, 32 bit, and for large computer it is 64 bits. The obvious question that arises is, what is the advantage of having more number of bits per word instead of having more words of smaller size length? For an answer to this question, imagine a highway with 8 lanes and heavy flow of traffic. If we expand it to 16 lanes, so lanes is basically the queue in which vehicle travels. So if we imagine that on a highway we have 8 lanes, that is only 8 queues in which vehicles are traveling, and we have heavy traffic, and then if we expand it to 16 lanes and the traffic flow speeds up considerably. So if we increase lanes, then traffic flow will, from 8 to 16, the traffic flow will speed up. So 8-bit is analogous to number of lanes on a microchip. More bits mean more rapid flow of electronic signals. In other words, a faster computer. So more bits means faster computer. Hence the amount of data that an 8-bit computer can transfer to and from memory in 1 minute, a 32-bit computer may transfer in few seconds. So the 32-bit computer is faster than 8-bit computer. Data and instructions moves to and from memory as one or more words at a time. Therefore, even if electronic circuits used are comparable in speed, computers having smaller word length will be slower in operation than computers having larger word length. This difference is analogous to providing the user of a computer having smaller word length with a smaller data and user of a computer having larger word length with larger data shovel. Even though they both may be shoving at a comparable speeds, the user with smaller shovel will be slower because she needs more shovels to move the same amount of data. So that means the more bit a computer has, the faster it will be.